Now imagine this, you sit on your sofa, you on your TV and start watching your favorite program to entertain yourself as you relax, and as you are watching your TV, money gets deposited into your account. As you watch more TV, you make money. The more you watch TV, the more you make money. Yes, you make hundreds to thousands of dollars worth of gift cards and PayPal money just watching TV. You will earn up to $2,370 worth of free gift cards for just watching TV on this platform. You will also earn extra money for answering surveys and completing offers. This is a very easy way of earning money online that you can give a try today. A very easy money-making system that will earn you the money you will use to get those fancy things you want in life. The good thing about this system is that it does not require any investment of costly gadgets to get started. In fact, you don't even need a TV to watch the TV program. All you will need to get started is your mobile phone and boom, you are making money. It is a very easy system to get started today. Here are some of the gift cards you will be earning in this platform if you get signed on this platform. Yes, you will earn PayPal money worth of $5 to $100, Amazon gift card worth of $5 to $200, free Visa gift card, $5 to $200, Google Play codes, $5 to $200. Others are free V-Bucks, free Robux, Stream Wallet codes, free PSN codes, free Sportify, Premium, Nintendo eShop codes, Minecraft codes, Xbox gift codes, Pokemon Go coins and more. Before we go further, I welcome you to this channel, Ready Money, where you will get to learn how to make money online the easy and legitimate way. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, so that you will get to see more uploads from this channel. Now, the website we shall be watching TV and earning money is GrabPoints.com. This is how it works on GrabPoints. 1. The advertisers pay GrabPoints for engagements. 2. They will then recruit members like you. 3. You will do online activities like watching videos, taking online surveys, completing offers, downloading apps, and more. 4. You will then earn free gift cards or PayPal cash instantly. As you can see from this live feed here, these are some of the examples of members earning free gift cards and PayPal money every minute from this platform. What are you waiting for? Now, to get started on this platform, you will need to sign up to become a member. So you will need to come to the homepage here where you see the sign up form, join for free. You will then need to input your email, then input your password, and also confirm your password. You also have the option of signing up using your Facebook or Google account. As you sign up, you will receive the confirmation email in your inbox that will direct you to how you will confirm your registration. From there, you will be able to receive the video surveys and tasks that you will perform and earn money. Ciao!